lights on a shattered screen. I'm a masquerade of code and broken dreams. Bulletproof crawling with started haze. Truth dissolves in electric haze. Neon rays run through my soul. A hollow shell concealing a blackened hole. Dancing with ghosts and a digital glow. A fractured self I'll never show. Lost in shadows where circuits hum. My heart's a prisoner, won't succumb. Drowning in wires, no escape to find. A darkened melody in a tangled mind. Silent screams echo through the void. Each shattered bite of code and broken dreams are painted in electric flare. Hope combusts in the toxic air. Neon veins run through my soul. A hollow shell concealing a blackened hole. As a ghost in a digital glow. A fractured self I'll never show. Lost in shadows where circuits hum. My heart's a prisoner, it won't succumb. Drowning in wires, no escape to find. A darkened melody in a tangled mind. Silent screams echo through the void. Each shattered body, a life destroyed. Lies are painted in electric flare. Hope combusts in the toxic air. Lost in shadows where circuits hum. My heart's a prisoner, it won't succumb. Drowning in wires, no escape to find. A darkened melody in a tangled mind. Fading out into a glitched demise. The final spark, a digital surprise.